people, and welcome to your oracle reading for today, 29th September 2020. And this is Shilpa Menon. What have I chosen today? I've chosen a deck called as The Keepers of the Light, Oracle Cards by Kyle Gray, again by Hay House. And I simply ask the universe, what would you like to tell us today, or what energies we need to imbibe in today? And the card that's interestingly come out today is called as Master Buddha. Most of you all in India are at least familiar, and of course a bit of East Asian countries are quite familiar with Buddha. But Buddha was originally known as Siddhartha Gautam, and he was a prince who was raised really well in a lot of luxuries and love. This is how Master Buddha looks like. And there was a prediction done for him at one point by an astrologer to the king that if he sees any kind of suffering or death or old age, he may change. And that's what his father feared. And finally, one day when Buddha did, or rather the Siddhartha Gautama, or the Prince Gautam, did sneak out, he did see a death and a suffering, an old man, and he decided to renunciate his kingdom and move into the path of enlightenment. How did he do that? Of course, through increased awareness, and that is exactly what the card is for today. Increased awareness, deep connection, and trust your inner voice. His inner voice was so big, and that he had to leave everything to go in the search. That's one. Second, if Buddha has come in today, you're also being asked to go beyond the fear of illusions and really look into faith, listen to the Guru within, and ask yourself that am I really fearful, or am I, where is this coming from, and what do I need to do? Because the Guru within will guide you. That's what the Buddha is saying. Again, the karma of wheel is at play. What goes around comes around. What goes around comes around. And therefore, all the good that you've done, it's time that now, if this card has come through, it's time for you to reap the benefits of all the goodness you've done, and that is exactly what will show up today in different form. Remember, when you do good, you're not expecting anything in return. It may not be from the same person or same situation, but what you give out comes back to you multiplied. That's usually been the law of giving, receiving, and abundance. So that is exactly what Buddha is saying. All your goodness and kindness will benefit you. Tune in to your inner voice today. Have a deep connection with yourself. You can literally have the same mudra as in the picture and sit literally for a few minutes, cross-folded your legs, and pray for a bit and ask for the universe to guide you. Ask for your inner teacher or the inner Buddha to guide you. Remember, suffering is or rather, let me tell you, there are difficulties in life and we all face, but to suffer is an option, right? So that is what the Buddha is saying today. That is your reading for today, for 29 September 2020. Do good, give good, be kind, and awaken your inner Buddha or the Bodhi within you. Find the middle path and move forward in the direction today. So today is a day to bring in neutrality, to find the middle part, to move from fear into faith, and to trust your inner teacher. That is exactly what the message is for today. I'm going to sign off. This is Shilpa Menon. Goodbye, everyone.